Hi everybody, my name is Sarah Thomason and today I will be teaching you about motion and stability, focusing directly on unbalanced and balanced forces. So if we are going to be focusing on that, it will go with the standard 3/physical science 2/1. Plan and conduct an investigation to provide evidence of the effects of balanced and unbalanced forces on the motion of an object. So for an objective or the student's goals for by the end of the lesson, they will be able to explain how the unbalanced and balanced forces affect the motion of an object. So they should all understand that this is what we are hoping for them to be able to accomplish by the end of the lesson. So important definitions that we will want the students to understand prior to diving into the experiment are motion, balanced forces, and unbalanced forces. So motion is the process of an object moving or being moved. Balanced forces are forces that are acting in opposite directions on an object, but they are equal in size. So if they're equal in size, this will tell us that the object's either going to stay at rest or stay in motion toward the same direction. An unbalanced force, that is when forces are acting on an object in opposite directions, but the forces are not equal. This is going to cause a shift in motion, or if it's at rest, it'll cause it to move. So I will begin the lesson by engaging students. So they will have a partner, and I will ask them, how do forces act on us? Do I have a force acting on me while I'm standing? So they will then just kind of talk to each other about what they think is happening to me while I'm standing right in front of them. I will then just show them a little image about a tug-of-war image. This shows balanced and unbalanced forces. Explore. So this is where we're going to go ahead and show a video where it can kind of deepen their understanding. So this is a 2015 UK Tug-of-War Championship. So right now, then we can explain the phenomena by then discussing how is the forces acting on the tug-of-war team in this portion of the clip. So we can see that the rope is not moving. The team is pulling, they're exerting their force extremely hard, but the rope is just at a standstill. So this tells us that there are balanced forces. We'll go ahead and skip ahead toward the end of the video and see what then happens. All right, looks like we have a winner. So we can see that the forces then are changed because the object is moving. It's no longer at a standstill. Instead, this team that's shown right here is exerting a force that is stronger than the other one, causing the rope to move. We will then elaborate on our thinking by conducting our experiment. So what we will need in order to conduct this experiment is a cup filled halfway with the water, a note card, and a penny, just like the pictures I have right here. Step 1, we'll set up the experiment. Place your glass half filled with water on the desk, place your note card on top of the glass, and place your penny on top of the note card. Our experiment should look like this. So we have our note card here, our penny, and a glass half full. So we will put our note card on top, our penny here. Right now we can see that the penny is still. Now what happens if we take the note card out? So, in order for us to evaluate our thinking and our understanding, explain to us what happened to the penny. Why was it just sitting there at the beginning on top of the note card? How did the forces then affect the penny once the note card was removed? We can see that the forces were equal at the beginning, where the penny was then able just to stand still. The forces pushing down, the gravity, was exactly the same as the force pushing it up. But once the note card was removed, we can see that the gravity pulling it down was stronger than the other force, causing it to drop. I hope this helped with your understanding of unbalanced and balanced forces.